Unfortunately, Subaru CVTs, we're seeing failures, like catastrophic failures in the first 10 years, 100,000 miles.
The Subaru CVT conversation just got real. After getting called out for speculation in my last video, it's time to deliver the brutal truth about Subaru's continuously variable transmission that most channels won't tell you. No speculation, no fantasy models, just hardcore facts about which CVTs fail, when they fail, and exactly which model years will leave you stranded with a $7,000 repair bill. This isn't anti-Subaru bias. This is reality backed by warranty extensions, technical service bulletins, and thousands of owner complaints that paint a picture the marketing department doesn't want you to see. If you're buying a used Subaru, or wondering if your current CVT is a ticking time bomb, this information could save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration. All sources and documentation for every claim I make today are linked in the first comment below. Warranty bulletins, service manuals, and forum discussions you can verify yourself. Let's get into the facts. The two CVTs that determine your fate. Before we dive into problems, you need to understand that Subaru uses two completely different CVT designs that behave like totally different animals. TR580 CVT, the compact unit used in lighter vehicles, found in Impreza, Crosstrek, Forester non-turbo, and base Outback and Legacy models.
Recently, I was helping a buddy move a shop in Fort Worth, and down the street, someone had a 2011 Legacy, 130K, beautiful car, bad CVT. I took a look at it and I was actually walking away. This unit is 8 to 12 grand to replace. So I got scared. I was walking and the dude could see it in my face and he lowered the price $1,000. So I bought the car and here we are now. Before pulling it, I checked the fluid and tried driving it, and the chain is slipping when it gets warm.
100 millimeters shorter and 15% lighter than its bigger brother, TR690 CVT. The high torque unit built for serious power, used in turbocharged models, Ascent, and historically in 3.6-liter 6-cylinder engines. Completely different internal layout with the valve body on the bottom instead of the top. This distinction matters because the problems, failure rates, and repair costs are completely different between these two transmissions. Most people complaining about quote-unquote Subaru CVT problems don't even know which one they have. Number 1, the warranty extension that exposed everything. In 2017, Subaru did something that should have made every potential buyer wake up. They extended CVT warranties from 5 years or 60,000 miles to 10 years or 100,000 miles on over 1.5 million vehicles.
This contraption is a CVT. However, whatever this does, this varies gears.
Affected models: 2012 to 2017 Legacy and Outback, 2013 to 2017 Forester, 2013 to 2017 Impreza and Crosstrek, 2015 to 2017 WRX. This wasn't goodwill. This was damage control for systematic CVT failures that were destroying customer loyalty and triggering potential class action lawsuits. The real problems: stalling without warning, vehicles coming to complete stops in traffic, shuddering and jerking, CVT belt or pulley malfunctions causing violent vibrations, hesitation and delayed acceleration, pressing the gas pedal and getting nothing for several seconds, high-pitched whining noises, indicating internal bearing wear or fluid aeration. Translation: if you're buying any Subaru from 2012 to 2017, you're getting a transmission with documented reliability issues that Subaru had to double their warranty coverage to address. Number 2, the Forester years that will bankrupt you. The 4th generation Forester represents the absolute worst of Subaru's CVT era. These aren't just transmission problems. These are vehicles with multiple catastrophic failure points that make them financial disasters. CVT-specific issues: 2017 Forester acceleration shuddering, widespread enough to trigger multiple technical service bulletins, premature CVT failure in the 60,000 to 80,000 mile range, software calibration problems requiring multiple dealer visits to address. But wait, it gets worse. Beyond CVT problems, 2014 to 2018 Foresters suffer from excessive oil consumption requiring engine replacement, faulty ignition systems, passenger airbag deployment failures, fragile windshields that crack from minor impacts, defective lower control arms. The bottom line, avoid 2014 to 2018 Foresters entirely. These vehicles combine CVT unreliability with multiple other expensive failure points that make ownership a nightmare. Number 3, the Ascent disasters. Subaru's 3-row SUV launched with CVT problems so severe that multiple forum users report going through their second or third transmission replacement under warranty.
If you service the fluid in your CVT transmission in your Subaru every 30,000 miles, you should go at least 100,000 miles without any major problem.
The pattern, 2019 to 2020 models. Catastrophic CVT failures between 60,000 and 120,000 miles, high torque TR 690 transmission, struggling with the Ascent's weight and power, demands partial failures around 60,000 miles, followed by complete replacement needs. Real owner experience. Forum member reports their 2021 Ascent CVT failed at 83,000 miles. The second major CVT issue on the same vehicle. Another had partial failure around 60,000 miles. 2022 and newer Ascent, too new to determine long-term reliability, but early reports suggest continued hesitation and behavior issues. Number 4, the turbo engine CVT catastrophe. Here's where it gets really expensive. Subaru's TR 690 high torque CVT paired with turbocharged engines has documented problems even in the newest models. 2023 to 2024 Outback and Legacy turbo issues. Multiple reports of CVT failures requiring complete transmission replacement. All reported problems show identical symptoms, suggesting manufacturing defects rather than random failures. TR 690 transmission in turbo models experiencing higher failure rates than naturally aspirated versions. The engineering problem. Turbocharged engines produce torque spikes that stress CVT belts and pulleys beyond their design limits. The TR 690 was supposedly built to handle this, but real-world evidence suggests otherwise. Cost reality. TR 690 CVT replacement costs $4,000 to $7,000 because these transmissions aren't rebuildable. When they fail, you're buying an entirely new unit. Number 5, the maintenance myth that's destroying transmissions. Subaru originally marketed their CVT fluid as quote-unquote lifetime, meaning never change it. This single lie has probably destroyed more CVTs than any design flaw. The real maintenance schedule. Subaru official, 100,000 miles under normal conditions. Reality-based recommendation, 30,000 to 40,000 miles for longevity severe duty.
I go off the general rule of thumb that you should service the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles.
40,000 kilometers, that's 25,000 miles. Fluid confusion crisis. Subaru has used multiple CVT fluids that are not interchangeable. CVT F-C30 in blue, used until 2015. Now discontinued CVT F2 green, 2015 to 2019 models CVT F3 low viscosity green. Current standard fluid high torque orange. Turbocharged models only, high torque low viscosity amber/orange. 2020 and newer turbo models. Using the wrong fluid causes catastrophic failure. Dealers have been known to use incorrect fluid, voiding warranties and destroying transmissions.
CVT Learn went through, worked perfectly. We were a little bit low on our CVT fluid, but that's all good now. We'll be getting it down on the ground and doing a test drive just to see if I hear a wheel bearing issue or anything like that. But otherwise, pretty good bill of health on this 2011 Outback.
Number 6, the off-road CVT limitation nobody mentions. Here's the dirty secret about Subaru's quote-unquote adventure-ready marketing. CVTs protect themselves by cutting power in serious off-road conditions. What happens? CVT detects high load/low speed conditions. Transmission automatically reduces power to prevent damage. Vehicle loses drive capability exactly when you need it most. Reality check. Multiple Outback Wilderness owners report their vehicles stopping on steep inclines that other AWD vehicles handle easily. The CVT's self-protection programming prioritizes transmission longevity over actual capability. If you actually use your Subaru for serious outdoor adventures, the CVT will limit your capability when it matters most. Which models to avoid completely? Based on documented problems and failure patterns. Never buy 2012 to 2017 Legacy and Outback extended warranty years with known CVT issues. 2014 to 2018 Forester, multiple failure points beyond just CVT. 2019 to 2021 Ascent, documented pattern of TR690 failures. Proceed with extreme caution. 2020 to 2024 Turbo models, TR690 CVT showing problems even in newest vehicles. Any vehicle with TR690 CVT, higher failure rates and repair costs. Relatively safe bets, 2018 and newer Impreza and Crosstrek, the models that might actually work. 2019 and newer models with TR580 CVT show significantly improved reliability. Forester, naturally aspirated only Impreza and Crosstrek base Outback and legacy models. Why these are better: software improvements addressing earlier problems, better fluid specifications, TR580 CVT proven more reliable than TR690 in long-term use. 2022 and newer models benefit from additional software updates and manufacturing improvements, but lack sufficient long-term data for confidence. The hard truth about CVT longevity. Best case scenario, well-maintained TR580 CVT with proper fluid changes can exceed 100,000 miles without major issues. Realistic expectation. Most Subaru CVTs will require significant service or replacement between 80,000 and 120,000 miles regardless of maintenance. Worst case, TR690 CVTs in turbo applications failing as early as 60,000 miles with documented patterns of repeat failures. Customer service reality. Multiple owners report Subaru dealers replacing CVTs under warranty, only to have the replacement fail within 20,000 to 40,000 miles. Parts availability issues. CVT replacement delays of 2 to 6 months are common due to part shortages, leaving owners without vehicles for extended periods. Resale value impact. Vehicles with documented CVT replacements see significantly reduced resale values, even with warranty work completed. The bottom line strategy. If you must buy a Subaru, number 1, stick to TR580 CVT models, naturally aspirated engines only. Number 2, avoid all turbo variants until long-term TR690 reliability improves. Number 3, buy extended warranty coverage that specifically covers CVT replacement. Number 4, budget $5,000 to $7,000 for eventual CVT replacement regardless of maintenance. If you own a problem year, number 1, change CVT fluid every 30,000 miles using only correct Subaru fluid. Number 2, address any shuddering, hesitation, or noises immediately. Number 3, document all service for warranty claims. Number 4, consider selling before 80,000 miles to avoid major repair costs. The Subaru CVT reality check. This isn't about hating Subaru, it's about honest assessment of a transmission technology that prioritizes fuel economy over long-term reliability. Subaru's CVT advantages are real: better fuel economy, like smoother operation, and improved all-weather capability compared to traditional automatics. The choice is yours, but now you know the real costs. Sources and documentation for everything I covered today are pinned in the first comment below. Warranty bulletins, technical service bulletins, and forum discussions that back up every claim I made. No speculation, just verifiable facts you can check yourself. Have you experienced CVT problems in your Subaru? Share your model year, mileage, and specific issues in the comments. Real owner experiences help everyone make better decisions. And remember, this channel prioritizes facts over fantasy. If you want honest automotive content that respects your intelligence and your wallet, then subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're cutting through the marketing BS one video at a time.